Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So I originally planned to open multiple boxes in the video tonight, but when I was getting ready to film, my power went out for a while. So I'm filming a lot later and I'm just gonna film one box and it's gonna be a quick one. I know some of you guys prefer one box at a time, so this one's for you. Today we're opening up the Beauty Box by Bombay Cedar, and this must be the October box. I just looked when I opened the last one, it was September, and I filmed it on October 6th, so this one does come a little late. It ships at the end of the month. It costs $31.95, and this is all cruelty-free beauty, which I appreciate. It ships free in the US, but it does ship worldwide. Depending on where you live, there'll be a shipping charge. You're supposed to get up to $100 in value, and you get 5 to 6 beauty products. So the packaging is beautiful, and yeah, I can't wait to see what's inside. Before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel, so if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That means so much to me. So not only is this cruelty-free, it's also clean and vegan beauty as well. When I open the box, it remains beautiful. I just love it. It says, "Say hello to clean beauty." And then there is a card, and all the items are in this pretty like lilac or lavender bag. Here, Emmy. So, yeah, October, and the theme for October is Radiant, Beauty Essentials for a Brighter Look, and it looks like we have 6 items this month. Gives a short description along with the values, and it looks like there must be a variation because the total value ranges from $156 to $159. So much more than the $100 that they guarantee. So let's open this up, and I'm just gonna grab something out. It looks like we have a face roller. Oh, this is actually a micro Derma roller. This is by Kitsch, their Cleanse Ritual. I think Kitsch Cleanse Ritual is the brand. And this is supposed to be for textured and aging skin. I received one of these in my newest test tube beauty. I shouldn't say newest. I actually just got a package like 8 p.m. from FedEx. I'm filming this at 8:37 p.m. on a Friday night. My life is wild. We have a visitor. Hi. It's actually good. Like, Emmy comes out at night. Oh, she doesn't. Now she's getting shy. I let her just do her thing. I'll pretend like I don't know she's there. But my cat's like, well, Archer's always needy, but Emmy like comes alive at nighttime. She doesn't leave my sides. She's like me. I don't know. We're night owls, right, Emmy? Hi, baby. You're so cute. Sorry. Get distracted. So yeah, I got one of these in Test Tube Beauty. I just got my other one and I haven't used it yet. So I'm going to be putting this in a future giveaway. I already launched my members only giveaway. So if you guys are a channel member, definitely check that out. And my 11K giveaway for everyone will be live soon. So I didn't do that one yet, so I can add some things in. So spoiler. Anyways, this is $18 and you could have gotten this or the facial ice roller. So this is that variant item. And it is studded with 0.25 millimeter stainless steel microneedle technology, and it helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, blemishes, and large pores. Up next, what is this? By Masami. Mikaboo Shine Serum? I'm curious, Shine Serum. Right now I'm using like a glass skin one. I wonder if this is similar. Masami means truly beautiful. It's for botanically hydrated hair. Oh, it's for your hair. Cool. I could use that. I washed mine last night, slept on it wet, and it's a little wild. So for botanically hydrated hair with Mikaboo, a nutrient-rich ocean botanical from the north of Japan, where the 3 waters of the world embrace. Cool. And this is $34. So it enhances shine while leaving hair soft and silky. Nice. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like botanic, like earthy. It smells good, but I don't think it's really like made with much artificial fragrance or none at all probably. I don't think anything in this box comes with it. Yeah, first one I thought was for my face. I'm like, I'm probably extra shiny right now because the air was off for a little while. I live in Florida for those who don't know. That's why I'm like barely dressed and shiny. And next up, what is this? Code Beautiful Lid Lift Enhance. I love trying new brands. These have been new so far. Besides Kitsch, I've used something from them before. So what is this exactly? This is the antidote to tired eyes, 3-in-1 lid concealer, primer, and eyeshadow. Ooh, I've received something similar to this. Oh wow, yeah, this is definitely more of an eyeshadow for me, but it could be an eye base as well. If I keep it, let's see. Yeah, it's like a light brown color. Definitely not a concealer, but I guess it could still conceal anything like on my eyes. Oh, I mean, don't go for the light. The box light might fall down soon. So it's lifts, brightens, and opens up even the sleepiest of eyes. I slept so much last night, you guys. I slept in so late. I went to bed early. I'm like, I'm gonna get up early today, and then I woke up at like 2. So I still have eyes like they look really tired. So there's 2 items left. The next one, I've used this before. I think I finished it all up. I got this in, I think it was an Ipsy Ultimate. This is by Eva Lou Super Oil. I'm using one of their eye creams right now with my my nighttime eye cream. I was trying to think about that. I'm like, I'm actually rotating between like 3 eye creams and I really like it. And I liked this oil too. And this is a $68 value. So it's best for all skin types, especially for those who do not like heavier greasy oils. It's a creamy light body oil unlike any other. The super oil protects and repairs, leaving the skin velvety, smooth, and radiant. I love facial oils. I do think they make a difference, even though I think I have normal skin. I look like I'm oily because I'm like sweaty a lot, but I think even if you do have oily skin, oils can be beneficial because they stop like the production of more oil. And this one's good. It kind of smells like olive oil if I remember correctly, but it works really well. It's all like natural, cruelty-free, $68. I wouldn't be able to purchase that on my own, so I love getting stuff like this in boxes. And it looks like our last item in here is makeup. Is this a lip liner? By Nana Coco Professional. Yes, it is a lip liner. I use lip liners like every day, and this is in Violet. It's their Outlast lip liner, so it has a safety seal. Let me get it off. And this is $7. By the way, what do you guys think about my brown lip right now? I'm wearing the shade Coven from Ofra that I got in my Ofra haul that I posted yesterday. Hopefully this video, when it goes up, was yesterday. It's really brown, but I kind of like it. I would love to know your thoughts. God, sometimes I cannot get these open. Oh. Ooh, I don't know if I have a shade like this. So this is one you twist up, retractable. That is nice. I don't know if I have a shade just like this. I have a Thrive Cosmetic one that might be a little similar, but different. I think this is super pretty. Hopefully the color is coming through. I really wanted to film in my actual filming room today because I feel like the lighting's a lot better in there and the sound, but you know, we're just working with what we got. And yeah, that was everything, you guys. So everything's all over because I don't have the table right in front of me. I think this was a good box as always. I definitely think you get your money's worth, and especially if you're like cruelty free and you like trying new brands and stuff, I think this is great. So we got some skincare, skin tool, and some makeup. So I would love to know your thoughts down below. If all goes to plan, I should be posting a video tomorrow opening up more skincare and beauty type boxes, so stay tuned for that. So thank you again for being here and unboxing this with me. Special thanks to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you guys want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can read about the perks and join if you so desire. I would love it if you did, but no pressure. Just by being here and watching this video is super helpful and supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.